Intercom Enterprise Customer Engagement App. The pros, the cons. Intercom Enterprise Customer Engagement App promises to revolutionize how large businesses communicate with customers, but is it really the ultimate solution for engagement? On the positive side, Intercom offers live chat, AI-driven chatbots, and multi-channel messaging that allows enterprises to connect with customers instantly across web, email, and mobile. Its robust automation features help segment audiences, trigger targeted messages, and nurture leads effectively. Enterprises often see improved response times, higher customer satisfaction scores, and better retention. Integration with CRM systems, help desks, and marketing platforms makes it easy to consolidate customer data and personalize interactions at scale. However, there are some downsides. Enterprise plans can be costly, especially for organizations with high-volume traffic. Chatbots may misinterpret complex customer inquiries requiring human intervention. The platform can also feel overwhelming initially due to its breadth of features, which means teams need proper onboarding and training. Most people get this wrong. They assume automation can replace human support entirely. The surprising truth is that the best results come from blending efficiency with human empathy. Without skilled agents to handle nuanced conversations, engagement quality can drop despite having advanced tools. In conclusion, Intercom Enterprise Customer Engagement App is a powerful choice for enterprises looking to scale communication and improve customer experience. Its combination of live chat, automation, and deep integrations delivers efficiency and personalization. But true success depends on thoughtful implementation, training, and a balance between AI-driven automation and human support. Used strategically, Intercom can drive stronger engagement, higher conversion, and better long-term customer relationships.